Okay, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can update your Samsung Smart TV. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is grab your remote here, and everybody's remote might look a little bit different, but mine looks like this here, and so you're going to want to hit that home button right there in the middle. So hit your home button, and it'll bring up this menu icon on the bottom. Just go all the way over to where it has that gear, and it says settings. Now, press on settings. Don't go up like that because that can be easy to do. It's kind of deceiving. But press the settings button right there. And then once you press it, this menu comes up. You're going to want to go down to support. And right here on support, you'll hit enter. And right there, it'll say software update. And then you can, if it's not grayed out like mine is, you would go ahead and press enter. Now if it is grayed out just like this, I'm going to show you how to fix that also. Okay, so if it is grayed out, you're going to want to take and hit the source button here on your remote. Alright, so hit the source button here on your remote. Mine's here at the very top. You'll tap on that, and then top left corner, you're going to want to click on TV. Alright, so you're going to want to make sure that it's on TV, not like HDMI 1 or connection guide. Go over to the left there and click on TV. Now, when you click on TV, you'll click back over to the settings, just like I showed you before. And then when you go down to support now, you'll see that it's not grayed out anymore. And then you can go ahead and click on software update. And then it's available to update now, or just go ahead and select auto update, and then that way you don't have to worry about updating it. It just does it automatically. So that is how you update your Samsung Smart TV. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.